everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your third week of February readings right from the 15th through the 21st of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. I will be adding divine cards into this reading, and then we will also take some message cards coming from the person as well in this reading. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see what is coming for the Libras for this week time. Let's begin. Nine of Cups. Somebody is moving towards you very slowly but surely. They are coming towards you. Whoever it is, it can be a past person, it can be a new person, but yes, somebody is definitely coming towards you. Somebody has already entered into your zone energetically, but yes, they are yet to enter physically. But yeah, they are heavily thinking about you. Whoever it is that is coming towards you, they are heavily thinking about you. This person could be having you in their dreams as well, or you could be having them in your dreams as well. So there could be some sort of telepathic messages going on between the two of you already. But yes, the communication, the person, the energy of this person is going to, it has already entered. The energy of this person has already entered. But yes, they themselves will be entering into your life very soon. Let's see if they are going to do that in this week time. Let's see more cards here. Wheel of Fortune, things are going to shift as you start seeing them in your dreams, or they start seeing you in their dreams. They will be rushing towards you. Why? Right now they feel that there is something in their life which is pushing them towards you or pulling you towards them. Now that feeling is going to intensify as they start seeing you, or you start seeing them in this, in the dreams. That's gonna trigger major change in them, major shift in them about you and the connection that they have with you. Let's see more cards here. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Lovers. It seems like, the person that I'm talking about here is somebody who was not giving you time earlier, somebody who was ignoring you, somebody who was not valuing you in the past. This person is now getting attracted to you. They are now being, pushed or pulled towards you. This person can see that there is some sort of synchronicity in their life right now which is guiding them towards you. They are feeling the pain of separation now. They don't like being away from you. And maybe it has never been the case since you have been staying away from each other for this long. Maybe you have always been the one reaching out to them in the time of separation. You would always, make a U-turn towards them. But this time it's not happening. And that's completely destroying their peace right now. There is strong love and this connection for sure. But yes, there are delays because let's see why the delays, please. Because of the indecisiveness of this person. Do they want a committed relationship with you now? They are feeling the passion for you, which could have been reignited around the Valentine's Day. They can feel that there is love too, along with the passion that they have for you. They have to come forward, express their love. That's what they are feeling right now. Because, hold on, what is it? Every time you end connection, every time you pull away from this person or they pull away from you, the one who would pull away will always make a U-turn to them. I feel like, this U-turn that one would take has always been done by one person, be that you or the person that you are dealing with. Ever since this breakup happened, that person has not reached out to the other person. Now that thing is making the other person question what happened, why they haven't done so. Which is why the other person is going to make a move this time. Because there is strong love, there is deep love, plus there is some sort of divine intervention into this connection as well, where this person is feeling pulled towards you, or you are feeling pulled towards that person if the energies are reversed. But yes, somebody's gonna make a U-turn to the past person here. You know, it's more of you believing that if you are like, you know, feeling like, you know, it cannot happen because you know, the ending was such a bad thing, it ended on a bad note. If you are thinking from that perspective, and if you think it's going to be so good to be true, if this person returns to me, then it's your block there, because that could be the delay, that could be the reason of the delay. But if you have a strong faith or firm belief that yes, this time this person will reach out to you, they will reach out to you. Because I feel like, you know, this person, whoever it is, who was ignoring because of the indecisiveness in this connection, that person is going to the past person, be that you going to the past person or they coming towards you, who is the past person for them. Let's see where what the messages have to add to the reading. I want to reach out, but I am scared. I'm so sorry, never meant to hurt you. They never meant to hurt you, but they have done that. So they are scared, but they will reach out to you. They have already started moving towards you energetically. They might have been sending you telepathic messages. You might have been seeing their names or numbers everywhere around you. Believe in your prayers. You might be manifesting a reconciliation with this person as well. Love, luck is bestowed upon you. You will get what you want regarding this person, this connection. But yes, there are certain delays. It all depends on your belief. If you believe that they will come to you, they will come to you quick. Stop chasing people. You deserve better. I feel like, you know, the universe told the other person, stop chasing this person. It has to be them coming towards you this time. So whoever has been always the one chasing the other person, they have to stop chasing this person now. Be that you or the person that you are dealing with, who's a cross watcher here. The person who was investing 100% into this connection, they have to stop doing that now. The other person has to take the charge this in this connection right now. This could be your life partner, and don't let them take you for granted. One person has always been into this connection more than the other person, and the other person started taking them for granted. So that's why now they have to value you more, or you have to value them more this time. So pick however it is resonating with you in your situation. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Remember who you are. You are powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. You really have to believe that you are worthy of love and you are loved, and the angels are going to support you and help you, guide you to manifest what you want. Stay positive. Don't settle in for less. If you want this person, you have to earn this person. And if you you know, if you have been the one who was always neglected, ignored, now your person have to earn you back. They cannot take you for granted any longer. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.